In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI to create detailed prompts for Midjourney. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and begin a new chat. This gives you a clean space to work in, which makes it easier to focus on the exact image idea you want to build. Once the chat is open, go to the prompt box and clearly describe the image you want to create. At the same time, ask Meta AI to turn your idea into a detailed image prompt. For example, you could type something like, create a detailed Midjourney prompt for a futuristic city at night with neon lights, flying cars, and cinematic lighting. The more specific your request is, the more useful the generated prompt will usually be. This is especially helpful if you already have a visual concept in mind but want stronger wording, better structure, or more descriptive detail. After that, send your message and wait a moment for Meta AI to generate the full description. Once the response appears, read through it carefully and copy the generated prompt. This copied text will be the foundation for the image you create in Midjourney. Next, open Midjourney and go to the prompt input area. Paste the prompt you copied from Meta AI directly into Midjourney. At this stage, you can use the prompt as it is or make a few edits if needed. For instance, you might want to add an aspect ratio, change the image style, or include quality preferences depending on the kind of result you want. These small adjustments can make a noticeable difference in the final composition. When the prompt looks right, submit it in Midjourney and wait for the image to be generated. Once the result is ready, review it closely. Pay attention to the style, lighting, composition, and overall mood. If the image is not quite what you expected, adjust the prompt and try again. Even minor wording changes can lead to a very different result, so it is worth refining until you get closer to your vision. You can keep using Meta AI to create new prompt variations whenever you want more options. Then simply send those updated prompts to Midjourney for additional image generations. This workflow is a simple and effective way to turn rough ideas into more polished prompts, and you can repeat the process anytime you need help creating detailed images in Midjourney.